आता खबरो विस्तारान. बुधवारा भाजपाची रुटीन बसका जाली. पक्षाचे कार्य कशें फुडें व्हरचें, कशी सुदारणा करची, सद्याक कशें कार्य चलना अशा साबार मुद्द्यांचेर पक्षाची चर्चा जाली. भाजपा कार्यकर्ते, मंत्री, आमदार ह्या बसकेक हजर आशिल्ले. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार.
Just to discuss overall party's performance, positive strategies that will benefit the public and the constituents of the respective constituents.
Is this meeting also called ahead for the preparation of Lok Sabha election?
Not really. This is just to evaluate the performance of this new coalition.
आणि माझ्या इश्यूचेर कितें डिस्कशन घेतलें की फाल्यां कर्नाटका बंद
ना, नॉट रिली. ताजेर कांय ना.
लोकसभेचेर कांयच जावना तयारी भितर
तशें कांय ना. बेसिकली आतां ऑर्गनायजेशनल कामां चालू उरतात न्ही. एवरी मिटींग दॅट वॉट इज स्पोकन अबाउट.
आनी एडिशनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिल्या
की एवरीबडी शूड वर्क फॉर द पार्टी आनी हाव टू डेवलप ऑन द ऑर्गनायजेशनल म्हणा कामां फुडें कशें जावंक जाय. ऑनगोईंग वर्क कशें चल्लां, काम कशें करूंक जाय फुडें.
लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक
बेसिकली गोवा तुमचें काम कशें चल्लां, हाव वी शूड
सेंट्रल पार्टी लिडर कोण
तेच तांचे ते की तुमकां हाव द ओवरऑल द गव्हर्मेंट डुईंग आनी तेका वॉट शूड बी द वर्क, वॉट शूड बी द फ्युचरिस्टीक कामां कशी करून जावंक जाय ती.
Party meeting was there. So Mr. Yadav was there, General Secretary of the party, and certain were discussed in this thing, which is much needed, no, among BJP MLAs. Meetings all been taken by the party over the years. Last 10 of them there. So it was a meeting which was taken and
what issues it was?
just the stock of how we should work, the organization, everything, and what we're supposed to do. As see, आमचे BJP party sister discipline as a sister, sir. So that continuity of our work, that's we have been apprised of that. Simple.
Okay.
Nothing in particular, sir. See, coalition partner हांगा कितें statement कोण करता ते पर news of media येता न्हू. ना ते discuss काय सांगला. We only were discuss about the organization of the party and what we MLA should do.
ही नवीन जबाबदारी दिल्या तुमकां अशें करपाक जाय.
कितें
न्यू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज दिल्या कितें
न्यू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आमकां दिल्ली आसा. Yeah, that we will be MLAs will be working into some other constituencies as far as the organizational work concerned. Yeah.
Only one or कितले?
कितें?
Neighboring constituencies.
In neighboring or maybe even south of Goa. All depends on the schedule they give it to us. But schedule दिता पळय ताजेर.
अजून दिवं ना.
दिताले ते.
So basically, along with your constituency, you have to look at the other constituencies.
No, my constituency I have to look. No, there's no doubt about it. But responsibility when given to me to look into another constituency, whichever they give to me, we have to adhere and we will take it up.
So this includes.
It's only strengthening our careers, our workers, and the governance. To speak on the governance.
So this includes the constituency of coalition partners or the Congress.
Obviously, it's the opposition, no? Not the coalition, the opposition. Yeah.
Working in the opposition party constituency.
No, we're not working against. We are working with our careers in that opposition constituency.
So get it.
Finally, see, today the people of Goa know that our government, which last year we were 21-20 when coalition, that our BJP government under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar ji as well as our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, is development. There's no doubt on development. We are absolutely fine. Even our social schemes that we're giving to the people of Goa has been everyone welcomed it. But the question is, of course, you know, this election 2017 our numbers were less. Why? That's why we have to introspect and make sure we get our numbers up in the coming election whenever it is held. Now Lok Sabha is done 2019. So we have to get both our seats back. Narendra, so Babu Sherpat Naik, we have to get our seats back. And we're working and we'll definitely get our seats back. There's no doubt about it. See what happened when a coalition government, everyone tries to take advantage. Everyone tries to, make that thing strong. But at the ground level, we know we are a national party. And having, again, I'm almost Chief Minister, and having all our cabinet, our ministers and MLAs, we will be back in action whenever the election takes place.
Do your party require such type of coalition partners to pressurize you all on certain issues?
See, another question we require. The people of Goa wanted BJP to form the government. Because I know when we got 13 seats, people were all paranoid. Sir, Sarkar formed the coalition coral. Konadala followed, they know development would have come to a standstill. At the center we have BJP funds also been coming, almost thousands of crores have come in here today. What would have happened? When the UPA government, I remember when the UPA government, when we got elected, how much of trouble they did. They got an acquisition with Panjim Parat Kele. Until today they are suffering, although we have no numbers in Rajya Sabha. So people knew that having the Congress as a ruling is that to form the government, I think would have been mess, and the Goa and the Goenka suffers of it.
So meeting कसली आशिल्ली?
अरे मीटिंग आमची रुटीन आमचे ते जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑल इंडिया जनरल सेक्रेटरी मिस्टर भूपेंद्र यादव ते MP राज्यसभेचे आणि रुटीन आमच्या एकूण ऑर्गनायझेशन वर्क बाकी काही फुडलें काम कशें जाता लोकसभा लागीं घेता त्या संदर्भात कशा पद्दतीन आमी ऑर्गनायझेशन वर्क फुडें व्हरप त्या संदर्भात
डिस्कशन कितें आशिल्लें? डिस्कशन
ह्याच पार्टीचे कामाच्या बाबतीत पार्टी कशी वाडप येस येस
सो इन द नेक्स्ट 1 year आतां लोकसभा इलेक्शन येयसर कितें करपाचें आसा पार्टी? सो तयारी म्हळ्यार पार्टी कितें करतली?
आणि कामाक गती दिवपाची वाडोवपाची सगळ्यांक कामाक लावपाची इतकेंच.
In the next 1 year, how would you move ahead as far as Lok Sabha election is concerned?
The party is preparing itself for the elections. It's basically the organization meeting of the party. The party general secretary has come. It was the usual organizational meeting which was conducted.
As an MP, how do you see party's process or prospects for the next?
We will go the election. We will almost put the seats. सगळे वांगडा आसात.